We can convey time in two ways, according to 12 hours clock and according to 24 hours clock. In 12-hour clock, we use numbers 1 to 12 twice, and to differentiate the time in the morning, that is from 12 midnight to 12 noon, we use AM, and from 12 noon to again 12 midnight we use PM. So we differentiate the time using AM and PM. But in 24 hours clock, the hours from midnight to next midnight are marked as 0 to 24, which means each hour of the day has a separate number. The time midnight, that is 12 midnight, is expressed as 000 hours or 2400 hours. So we represent 12 midnight as 0000 hours. The 24-hour clock is in the form HHMM, which means the first two digits from the right. It will represent the number of minutes, and the next two digits represent the hours. So from the right, if we start, the first two digits will tell us how many minutes, and the first two digits will tell us the number of hours. Now after 12 midnight, we write as 0000 hours. After that, when we get 1 am, then in 24 hours clock we write it as 0100 hours. Then 2 am is written as 0200 hours, and so on up to 12 noon. 12 noon is written as 1200 hours. Now, when the time starts repeating itself again, means now again we get 1 o'clock, but this is the time in the day, that is 1 pm. Now we got the time 1 pm, that is 1 in the day, after in the afternoon. Now we will write the 1 pm as 1300 hours. What we have done, we have added 12 in the number of hours, that is 1. 1 is the number of hours, so we have added 12 in it to get the time in 24 hours clock. So 12 plus 1 is 13, and whatever are the number of minutes, we will write them after 13. So here 100 pm is the time, so it will be written as 1300 hours. Then 2 pm is written as 1400 hours, and so on. Then write again, when we get 12 midnight, so that 12 midnight we again express as 0000 hours or 2400 hours. So this way we represent the 24 hours of the day in 24 hours clock. Now look at the question given here. We have to change the time given in 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock time. So first is 4:30 pm. Now as you can see, pm is given to us, which means it is the time after 12 noon. So we have to add 12 in 4. Therefore 4:30 pm will be equals to 4:30 plus 12:00. We do not add anything in minutes, so we will write here 00. So 4 plus 12 is 16, and 30 will be written as it is. It will be 16:30 hours. Next is 10:20 am. Now the time is in AM, which means there will be no change in the digits. It will be written as 10:20 hours. Next 12:30 AM. 12:30 a.m. means the time is in the night. 12:30 in the night. Now we know that we represent 12 midnight by 00. So for 12 we will write 00 and 30 will be written as it is. So 12:30 a.m. will be equals to 0030 hours. Next question is change into 12-hour clock time. Now we have to change the given time in 12-hour clock. So first is 0020 hours. We know that first two digits represent number of hours. Here first two digits are given 00. So it means it is the time after 12 midnight, because 00 we use in 24 hours clock to represent 12 midnight. So therefore in place of 00 we will write 12. Now here 20 is representing the number of minutes. So after 12 we will write here 20. So 12:20. Now it is the time after 12 midnight, so we will use AM here, which means 0020 hours is equals to 12:20 AM. Next is 05:15 hours. So here you can see the first two digits we have 5, which is less than 12. This means that it is the time of the morning. So we will write here 5, and after that we have 15 minutes. So here we will write 15, 5:15, and AM will be used here. Next is 22:05 hours. So you can see the first two digits here. It is given the first two digits are making number 22, which is greater than 12. So it is the time after 12 noon. So what we have to do to find the time in 12 hours clock, we will subtract 12 from 22, because the time is greater than 12. So whenever number of hours, that is the first two digits, makes a number which is greater than 12, then we get the time in 12 hours clock by subtracting 12 from the number of hours. So here you can see the number of hours are 22. So subtract 12 from 22, you will get 10, which means it will be 10 and 5 minutes will be written as it is 10:05. Now this time is in PM, because 22 we will get at night. Okay, so this time is in PM. So now in time in 12 hours clock is 10:05 PM. The next question is convert the following into minutes and seconds. So the time is given to us in seconds and we have to convert it into minutes and seconds. To convert a smaller unit into a bigger one, we divide, we use division. So we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, which means if we have to convert seconds into minutes and seconds, we have to divide the given number by 60. So 105 divided by 60, this will be the number of minutes. Now divide 105 by 60. 60 ones are 60. Subtract them. We will get 5. 10 minus 6, 4. So here quotient is 1. We got 1 complete minute. So 1 minute and remainder is 45. So these are the seconds left over. So 45 seconds, which means 105 seconds is equals to 1 minute 45 seconds. In the next part, it is given 240 seconds. So divide 240 by 60. So 240 divided by 60, it will be 60 fours are 240. Remainder is 0. So we got here 4 minutes and 0 seconds. Therefore, 240 seconds is equals to 4 minutes 0 seconds. Next question is convert the following into seconds. Now the time is given to us in minutes and seconds and we have to convert it in seconds, which means we are converting a bigger unit into a smaller one. So we will use multiplication and the relation is 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we will multiply the number of minutes given to us by 60. Therefore, 2 minutes 50 seconds are given. This will be equals to 2 multiplied by 60 seconds plus 50 seconds. So 2 into 60 is 120 seconds plus 50 seconds. This will be 170 seconds. Next part, there is 1 hour. So 1 hour is given to us. Now firstly we have to convert this 1 hour into minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we can write 1 hour as 60 minutes. Now in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So to convert 60 minutes into second, we will multiply 60 by 60. So it will be 60 into 60 seconds. So 6 6 are 36 and here we have 1 0 here and 1 0 in the 60. So 2 zeros, which means 3600 seconds. In the next question, we have to convert the following into days and hours. Now the time is given to us in hours and we have to convert it into days and hours, which means we are converting a smaller unit into a bigger one. So we know the relation that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Now, to convert hours into day and hours, we have to divide the given number by 24 because we are converting smaller unit into a bigger one. So, we will divide the given number by 24. So, 126 hours, it will be equals to 126 divided by 24 days. Now divide 126 by 24. 24 fives are 120. Subtract them. Remainder is 6. So here we got 5 as quotient, means 5 days, and remainder is 6. So it will be 6 hours. Therefore, 126 hours is equals to 5 days, 6 hours. In the next part, we have 528 hours. So, we will divide 528 by 24 to get this time in days and hours. So, divide 528 by 24. So 24 twos are 48. Here 12 minus 8, 4 is left, and bring down this 8. We got 48. So again 24 twos are 48. Remainder is 0. So question we got 22, which means 22 days, and in the remainder there is 0. So 0 hours. So 22 days, 0 hours is the answer. In the next question, we have to convert the following into hours and minutes. So here again, the time given to us is in minute, that is a smaller unit than hour. So we have to convert the time from a smaller unit to a bigger one. So again, what we will do division. Therefore, we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So whatever is the given number, we will divide it by 60 to get the time in hours and minutes. So here 145 minutes are given to us. Therefore, divide 145 by 60. So dividing 145 by 60, we will get 62s are 120. 25 is the remainder. So here 2 is the quotient, means 2 hours, and 25 is the remainder, means 25 minutes. So 145 minutes is equals to 2 hours for 25 minutes. Next is 540 minutes. It will be equals to 540 divided by 60 hours. So divide 540 by 60. So 6 nines are 54, which means 60 nines are 540. After subtracting, we got 0 as remainder. So 9 is the quotient, means 9 hours, and 0 remainder means 0 minutes. So 540 minutes is equals to 9 hours 0 minute.